Okay, we're doing
Animal Company. Yay.
we're doing something good today.
Yeah.
And also, I'm a mole now.
We're moles.
Don't ask. Okay,
So what we're going to be doing in this one is we're going to be going to sewers, getting our bags, both of our bags full, and we're going to give them to the public because we have no video ideas.
Nah, it's because we're nice. Don't tell him.
Yeah, we're
Give
nice.
us reviews. No, I'm not. I'm not. Because every single sewage run we've done so far, I've always done that, and people look so happy about it. Like once, there's like the entire lobby just going after me, like I want a medium piece of uranium. I want it. I want it. I was waiting for you to remind me.
Serious.
Bro, when have I been taking anything serious?
Okay. Hey.
You must just touch the licorice sticks.
Shut the frick up.
You scared me.
Cause guess what? I have that! There's a monkey in here!
I'm a mole.
Not showing you
I am a mole.
you're gonna
Do not
steal
disrespect me.
Yeah, I know that you're a mole, buddy.
You said that there's a monkey in this lobby.
From Peppa Pig. I'm a mole. It's me, bro. You're freaking Mandy Mobile from freaking Peppa Pig, bro. Mandy
what the
Mobile,
hell?
Peppa Pig.
Bro, that guy called me Peppa Pig.
What's your name? Can
Hey,
you?
if any of you guys want any free money,
Who wants some grapplers? Me. Okay.
Does anyone want free money?
Give me a bag full of grapplers.
I added you, King.
Give me a
The
bag
king.
full of grapplers.
Yeah, does anyone want free money? You want-
Wait.
Add me back. Add me back. Add me back.
Wait,
Okay.
who was giving out
Take some grapplers.
King, I added you. King, I added you. Okay.
Yeah, me
Yep.
too.
Does anyone want free money? Cause I have a lot of money in my bag.
It's 2.
I have a lot of money in my bag that I can give to you guys.
Can I have
I'm gonna sell it so everybody in the lobby can get it. Okay? I have a lot of money. So,
Okay, let's go.
anyone who wants free money, come to me.
I need to put it in my bag.
Come to the finish. Oh, camera. Okay, you ready? I have a lot of money in here. My rocket launcher! No! Yes! I got my baby!
I wasn't gonna take it. I was gonna take it out.
Okay.
I never know what it's like.
Okay.
Oh, blood and first.
We're gonna sell this and then everybody in the lobby gets it. Okay, look at this. You're about to get tons of money.
MC.
Bye. Okay.
Guys.
There's a bunch of money for you guys. Yeah. It didn't
So
get
what I done, it kind of went off track. So I gave them all the uranium, and then I kind of chucked a shotgun and a ray gun, and someone wanted a golden pickaxe, so I gave it to them with a blue bag.
Yeah, I got a new friend. He's on my friends list now. His name is.
I don't have friends. Oh.
His name is TTZine2023. And he tried
Okay,
to join us in a room, but I didn't let him.
Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe
You
button,
better.
join my Discord now.
You better do it. You better do all the things he just listed. You better do it.
Also, subscribe to my second channel, subscribe to his channel.
I'm trying to get.
Yeah, all of these are gonna be in the description. This actually can take a while. Skibbity toilet, no. And what else?
Around the world, around the world.
Subscribe and I'll buy you a pickaxe.
Subscribe and I'll explode you with my rocket launcher. Like this.
You know what? Anyone
You didn't see anything.
anyone who comments on this video saying like they want you to play, I'll let you guys play.
Oh yeah, by the way, that one guy who asked to
for a
play on
video.
one of my shorts, if he's watching this, yeah, you can play. If he's watching this,
Yay.
you go into code.
Well,
Explosive.
also join my Discord, and we will get and we'll do a fan code or something. I don't know.
I don't know, but around the world, around the world.
Subscribe and one sec.
Scribble sub, please. I'm one subscriber away. You better do it. I'm one subscriber away.
How am I gonna end this one?
Well, I'm just gonna end it here. Alright, my name's Waffles, this is Animal Company. I'm a mole. Bye.